Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for collectible coins and currency business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to customize and set up your website. So you have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and also you have to you can go to the basic setup from here, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, so let's get started. Now you can just enter your website type, collectible coins. Okay, now as you see, you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, collectible coin store. Okay, now you can add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell, physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. What would you like to sell, online store or your mobile app or in person or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard now. Okay, so now you're gonna let's go to design the site. So you have to design your website. Okay, so let's go to design the site. Now, how would you like to design a website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template, so let's get started. Okay, now you can enter your information, your name, your email, your site name, your email, your address, and your phone, and also you can add the social link. Also, you can add the logo. So let's continue. So now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Wait a few seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one right here. So you can add page to your site if you want, and you can skip all this and customize it later. Okay, now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design and add something that you can do here. So as you see here, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add the sections, you can manage pages and menus. Also you can design the site, you can add apps, manage your business, manage media, manage the CMS and marketing and SEO. So first of all, if you want to add elements, you can just click here and you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also, you can upload emails or import emails. You can explore emails from free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Also, here if you wanna customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, the iTunes button. So that's it. Also here you can customize the payment buttons, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. Here we have decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes or rows and vertical lines and horizontal lines. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. You can just select the style and you can put it at any place you want on your homepage. So here you can customize your site design, the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. Okay, so the first section here we have the header section, so you can do a quick edit. So you can, for example, edit the site name. You can also manage the horizontal menu, the menu. Now let's move on to the next section. As you see here, this is the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background, this image right here. Also, if you want to change the title and the paragraph, just click on it like this. the create AI text. You can just describe what you want in your text. For example, you can select the type of the section and you have to insert information to include here. After this, it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, you can generate another one. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. And also if you wanna edit the text, you can select your favorite style and your favorite font. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is product section. So you have to create your product. So to do that, you have to manage product. So okay, now you have to add a new product and you can select the type. Okay, just click here and select the type of the product, physical product or digital file. So now you can customize it. So as you see here, you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also you can add the product information, your name and the description, and the price and options. You can customize. For example, you can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Also you can customize here the inventory and the shipping, the track inventory. Okay, so after you're done, you can save this place and go back to complete design in the editor. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the opening hours. You can just create another AI text and you can just describe what you want in your text and it's gonna create it for you. Just provide the hours and the days. It's gonna create for you an opening hours that you can match in your business. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So this is the features section. So as you see, you can create the same thing as normal. You can create AI text. You can change the font and the style. Also, if you want to change this image right here, just click on it. Click here, click on change image, and you can search whatever you like. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just add and edit and customize the email and your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop before you go live. And also you can save it. You can save this editor page. So after this, also you can publish your website easy and quick. So you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.